Hey friends, Tux here. You know, in this day and age, you really have to protect yourself, okay? And one small investment you can make, which can be a lifesaver in the event of a crash or emergency, is a dash cam for your car. And it goes even well beyond that. You know, if there's a break-in in your car, you know, if people have gotten people stealing their car on their dash cam, you know, like there's a lot of great uses for this. And, you know, Lord knows, you might just see something cool. There could be some kind of cool rainbow or shooting star or whatever, and you might catch one of those like once in a lifetime moments on a dash cam. So they're really well worth having. And this is one I've heard great things about. This is the BESTSEE M33, and this is a 4K dash cam. It's available on Amazon, and I will have a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. Now, taking a look at the box here, you can see it's a very giftable package. Very cool. We got a nice little picture of the dash cam here, and it does have a second rear cam too. More on that in just a little bit. This is Wi-Fi enabled, which is really nice too, and I like the slim look of it. I think it's a really good profile look, which is cool. On the back here, we got a barcode. Of course, again, I'll have a link for you right below, so you can click that link, okay? And a little picture on the bottom, M33 dash cam. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Got my little trusty scissors here. We'll give this a little snippy snip and check it out. You know, dash cams, I've caught some cool things myself with dash cams. If you go back on my channel, you'll see one time I had a dog run out in front of me. One time I had some kind of weird, drugged out homeless person. It's a really good thing to have a dash cam. Like, you never know what you'll catch. Okay, so looking at the package here, we have a nice matte orange with a picture of the actual dash cam. We'll pull this open here. There we go. We'll put that to the side. And you have a nice little white box. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. And oh, we got some good stuff going here already. So we have the manual here, and it looks like a nice thick manual too, actually, with color pictures. Very nice. And I'm not gonna go through every page of this, but there's the app installation barcode if you need that. Okay, you can get that from your favorite app store, I'm sure. It gives you directions and basic passwords to get started, that kind of thing. Talks about instructions for running the wires, which is really cool. And a rear dash cam is really good too, you know, just to have that rear facing one, because Lord knows you could be hit from behind. You just do not know. Installation for putting in the memory card, very good stuff. Looks like we have some different tech specs over here. And again, this is a 4K single front and a 1080p front and rear dash cam, okay, with a wide angle of 170 degrees, okay. Going down here, let's see here, it's USB Type-C, which is good to know. Okay, it does support Wi-Fi, support mic, support loop recording, G-sensor, which is really good. So if you get struck, if someone like hits your car, or you hit something, the camera will know that, ooh, there's a shock. I should, you know, make note of this. You know, 24-hour parking monitoring, that with a hardware kit required. So there's support. There is an option for that, I should say, and a 1-year warranty. So lots of good stuff here. Again, if you have any particular questions, let me know. But you know what? I can't wait to dive in here. So let's keep going. There is a warranty card, which is really good. So they stand behind their product, which is excellent. And this, what on earth is this? Looks like this is, it looks like we have a couple screen protectors. Very interesting. More on this in a little bit. I did not expect this, so nice little add-on. Let's check out the accessory package first here. We'll pop this open here. See what goodies we have in this little black box. Let's see here. Okay, so first off we have is the cigarette lighter or auxiliary power adapter, if you will, okay? And like I mentioned before, this is USB-C. So here we go. We have the USB-C. I'm sure you're familiar with that. USB-C, okay? And one thing I love about this, I can tell already, I like the little, well, I like the design on here for one, very cool and like carbon fiber looking, so that's pretty sweet. But I love the fact it actually has a USB pass-through. This is something all companies should do, but they all don't, you know? And if you need to plug this in, but need to plug in a cell phone or some other device like a radar detector, it's great being able to pass it through and have another product plugged in here. So very good stuff. We'll put this to the side for right now. And here is the rear camera. We'll take a look at this. I have a convertible, so I'm not sure. I have a convertible Corvette, so I'm not sure how I will use this, but I will look into that. But it's cool to use this. And one thing I would add, though, is even if you don't intend on using this in the rear, which is what it's meant for, and that's what you should use it for, quite frankly. There is other people I've seen done some pretty cool things with this. Some people have used it as a front-facing camera for like a guard, like if you have a really low car, like my Corvette's very low to the ground, if you want to have it monitoring parking stops, that's another good use of this. And it has like a 3M adhesive here. You can stick this somewhere under the underside. Very nice thick cable, good link to the cable too, very generous amount of cable. There's a lot of great uses though for this second camera. If you're doing Ubers and Lyfts, you might just want to have it somewhere kind of hidden incognito in your van or car or whatever to record the passengers in case you have an unruly passenger or like a robbery or something, you know. But there's a lot of great uses for it. I'm gonna leave this little safety plastic on the see little red tab. You peel that off to use before you actually start using it, so it's like a protector in shipping, you know. But very cool, very generous amount of cable there, so I'm sure you have some good reach on it. And then, you know what, it's really nice when they include this. This is a little trim tool, and this, a lot of kits do not include this, and this could easily cost $5 on Amazon, you know. And I would strongly recommend that when you get done installing this, hold on to this little tool, because you can use this for a lot of different things, and it's very useful. Everything from removing like camera, tripod mounts to changing batteries and things, and not to mention all sorts of great things in the car, running speaker wires, you know, alarm wires, whatever you need to do. It's great being able to have a little tool to pull back the trim without damaging the trim. So very good stuff. Thank you for including this, guys. That was brilliant. Okay, coming down here with a few more things for you. We have some additional 3M adhesive strips so you can move around if you want to, and these are really handy too. These are little 3M clasps. So this is for wire management, so you can easily run your wires, keep them tucked. You can use this on the inside of a trim piece. You can use this exteriorly. Definitely very good. We have a little 3M side here, and then we have a little clip, the black side, as you can see here. So very good stuff. They give you 5 little wire trim mounts. So very good stuff. And that's what we have in the accessory box. So a good amount of accessories, guys. Lots of things to keep you going and allow you to rearrange how this works too. You can actually move these around a little bit. So very cool. They give you, you know, 2 3M extra adhesives and everything all in here. So very good stuff. Now, the important part, guys, the camera. Yes. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And it looks like it's well packed in, lots of foam and everything to keep it nice. And this is one thing that really draws me to this particular dash cam, is this camera is very sleek, very cool looking. It has actually one extra 3M trim, so you even have one more there. But very good looking camera. Awesome. We got a little microphone there. We can peel off this when the time comes to remove the little lens cover, keep it nice. Extra little button right there. Very, very cool looking. And the fact that this can be moved. So see this can be moved a little bit up and down. And that allows you to have the perfect actual angle. Sometimes you put in a dash cam and it's stationary. There's no way of adjusting it once you've done it, because the 3M is stuck to the glass or whatever have you. But I love the fact this one allows you to tweak it just a little bit more. Go up in the sky for those, you know, shooting stars, and then go down to the ground for like dogs running in front of your car. You know, you can have it just at the perfect angle, but very sleek, very cool looking. Loving the appearance of this. Looks like this will hold up to the test of time, and definitely won't be too intrusive inside your vehicle. Let's go ahead and go in the car and check this out. Okay, so here we are. We're driving around. You can see the clock is in the lower left-hand side there, just a little bit after 8 o'clock, and we're going up North Roosevelt Boulevard here, and the sun's already setting, but you can see this camera's doing a great job. You still got nice blue sky. It's getting dusky, but you wouldn't know it at all. And that has a lot to do with the quality of the lens of this camera. Another thing to point out is the fact that you see all these cars coming towards us have their headlights on now. And that's a real problem for a lot of dash cams. It really blinds them out. But this one does a fantastic job of keeping it under control and allowing a great crisp picture, a 4K picture, as you can see. And you still have the headlights, you know. And some of the headlights, like, you know, they're those super bright halogens, and it really is devastating to a lot of car dash cams what that can do to the video quality. But in this particular case, you can see it's looking really good, you know, it really is. I'm moving the camera around here just a little bit. I'm kind of playing with the positioning of it. Now here is, we're driving up again, we're in motion. We got some cars passing us over here. I'm driving kind of slow. I'm kind of playing with the camera as we're doing this. I'm testing out the features. I love the fact of all the little data in the lower left-hand corner. You got your GPS, you have the speed there, it says 4K, the quality of the video, like everything you need is right there for you. So that really is helpful to me as someone who edits video, you know, to have all that information there. And if you're in an accident, again, that could be a total lifesaver, you know, actually having, you know, your speed and everything right there to prove how fast or slow you're going, you know. We're turning here into a supermarket, Winn-Dixie here in Key West, and you can see it is getting darker now. We're pulling out actually, and you can see here the sun setting a little bit more. We got some nice capture of the sunset over there, a little bit of oranges, a little bit of blues. Here we're going to keep driving here in a second. I had to edit something out, a little commercial music. And we're just kind of sitting here, just kind of waiting, you know, just kind of enjoying the view, if you will, you know, checking out the sunset. I do want to get some nighttime footage here, so I'm going to keep rolling and keep this going for just a little bit longer here, because I want to show you how great this camera does at night, in the darkness of night. And lots of times that's when accidents happen, you know. So here we are, now it is pitch black out. Okay, so this is really this camera shining here. This is nighttime. And you can see it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks like daytime almost. It is bright. Bright purple there, looking good. You can see the cars. You can see plates. You can see makes, models, everything you need. You can see house addresses as we pass here. Lots of great information. And this super crisp 4K camera is capturing everything. You know, street names on the poles, all sorts of stuff that you might need later, you know, if you had some kind of accident or something, to quantify like where you were, what time it was, everything. Okay, to recap, this is the BESTSEE M33 dash cam. It's a 4K Wi-Fi enabled dash cam, and this type of thing that you want, guys. Honestly, no matter if you're driving a Rolls Royce, a Lamborghini, or like a little Honda or a Kia or something, you want to have a dash cam. Okay, your car is your investment, and honestly, in these days of he said, she said, having video proof can make or break court cases sometimes. So if you have a dash cam, and if you show that guy plowing into you or backing up into you or whatever, it really can go a long way to you winning your case, okay? And if nothing else, it's good proof for the insurance company, you know? And in fact, some insurance companies may even give a discount if you have a dash cam. You can check with your local insurance company if you want to see about that, but oftentimes it'll be considered one of the factors where they'll like that, and they'll actually give you a little discount, which might very well pay for the price of the dash cam and more. You never know. So that's what we're checking out. But anyway, just great dash cam, lots to love. You got the front camera, you got the rear camera, you have a charger with a USB pass-through, which I'm always a big fan of. Loving the sleek design of this dash cam, very cool. Loving the way you can adjust it on the fly. Once it's mounted on the 3M, you can still adjust it more down and more up. So very cool. And the fact that it's not real intrusive on your car. So like if you're someone like me who has radar detectors and cameras and more cameras and everything, like it's nice to be able to have dash cams that don't actually use a lot of space. And don't be afraid to buy a couple of these. Buy one for both cars. If you have 2 cars, you know, we have 3 cars. Buy one for each vehicle, you know, give one as a gift. This will be something which would be well appreciated, I'm sure, by anyone who is someone who, you know, basically worries about getting hit, or in case they do get hit, you know, in case you have, you know, safety issues with bad drivers around you. You could be the best driver in the world, but you can't trust all those people around you, you know? Or if you're aspiring like YouTube person or whatever, you can make some cool car videos of, you know, you driving your car. So lots of fun to be had with these. Not real expensive, well worth the investment. And again, the link for this bad boy will be right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? All right, friends. Thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.